This one is the POS handheld machine. The brand name is Mosambee. It comes with card swiping here, card swiping option and card insert option also. And it comes with 2D barcode scanner. Okay, this one is the 2D barcode scanner. Now this one is the our lay parking app. Now we integrated the payment gateway option along with lay parking. I will show how it is working. First select the POS and enter the vehicle number. You enter, and automatically the token will come out. At the time of exit, you need to scan the barcode. So here you have to select the payment mode, credit card. Press checkout. Insert the debit or credit card. Customer will enter the PIN. Press confirm. Once payment initiated, the printout will come out. Thank you.